today's video, I'm going to be talking about something a little bit different. So you guys know I make videos around AI, online side hustle, and a little bit of crypto. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about crypto, and we are going to specifically be talking about meme coins, some of the best meme coins to buy and hold for long-term gain. Now, I do want to let you guys know that this video should not be taken as a financial advice, and meme coins are highly risky and anything can happen. A coin could be up today and be down tomorrow. So there's really no guarantee when it comes to crypto. Always do your research before buying any meme coin. All right. So with that being said, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video just like this. Now, the crypto exchange we are going to be using in this video to do our meme coin research is called CoinX, which is a crypto exchange that has been around for almost a decade. You can buy, sell, hold, and even make use of P2P to buy and sell your crypto. One thing I love about them is that they are available in most parts of the world. Their verification is very fast. The user interface is actually very clean for beginners. So you can just go ahead and check it out and see if it is available in your country or not. For me, it is available in my country, which is Nigeria, and I can even make use of P2P market. So if you're in Nigeria and you are finding it difficult to register on other platforms like Binance, Bybit, and trade your cryptos, then you can check out CoinX. They have their app on Google Play Store, App Store, so you can just download and check it out. Again, this video is only for information and education purpose. Make sure you do your research before you use any crypto exchange. Now, what are meme coins? Meme coins are cryptocurrencies that are popular because of memes, trends, and online communities, and not because they solve big technical problems. And that is why they can explode very fast and also crash very fast. This is basically how meme coins are created. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the best meme coins to hold for long-term gain. Now, again, this is not a financial advice. I'm not saying these are guaranteed profits, but these are coins that survive long-term. They build enough community and also stay liquid enough to still matter after the hype dies. Long-term meme coins is very different from Bitcoin or Ethereum. So in today's video, I'm just going to focus on meme coins that are widely known, and you can research them directly on CoinX, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. All right, so let's start with Dodgecoin. Now, Dodgecoin is the oldest and the most recognized meme coins in the market. Dodgecoin is usually the first coin people research because it has strong brand recognition among meme coins. Now, inside CoinX, you can open the Dodge or the Dodge/USDT trading pair to study the chart, price action, and market activity. This does not mean it is guaranteed to perform well. It means it has lasted longer than most meme coins, which actually make it one of the less fragile names in this category. Alright, so next meme coin on my list is Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu became popular as a meme coin, but over time, it built a much larger ecosystem and community around the brand. But that does not remove the risk. It does make it easier to justify as a coin that is worth researching for long-term watch lists. Now, on CoinX, you can go ahead and also check the Shiba Inu page and SHIB trading pairs directly. Now, the top meme coins I'll be mentioning in this video is called Pepecoin. Now, Pepecoin is more recent than Dodgecoin and Shiba Inu coin, but it also became one of the most talked about meme coins in the market. And the reason why many people still watch this coin is very simple. They have strong meme culture, strong attention, and high speculation. CoinX has a Pepe page and Pepe USDT trading page, so you can check if the volume and activity still looks healthy. Now, I would personally refer Pepe as a high-risk meme coin, so if you're going into it, make sure you go with money that you can afford to lose. Alright, so the next coin on my list is Bunk meme coin. This is another meme coin that is worth mentioning in this video. Now, Bunk becomes one of the well-known meme coins connected to Solana ecosystem. Now, when people talk about meme coins with strong community energy in newer cycles, Bunk usually comes up. CoinX also lists Bunk and also has a Bunk/USDT trading pairs. For long-term discussion, Bunk is more speculative than Dodgecoin in my opinion, but it is still one of the notable names when talking about meme coins that have held attention for a meaningful period of time. Alright guys, so here's my safe conclusion on these coins. If you want the most established meme coin, many people start with Dodgecoin. If you want a meme coin with very large community and ecosystem, people often choose Shiba Inu coin. If you want a high attention, high risk coin, many traders look at Pepe. And lastly, if you want exposure to a meme coin tied to a newer ecosystem, Bunk is one coin a lot of people research. But personally, I'll never tell anyone to go all in on one meme coin. A smarter approach is to treat meme coins as a small speculative part of your portfolio and not the whole portfolio. Now, just because a meme coin is available in an exchange, it doesn't mean a meme coin is safe to invest. And again, just because a chart looks good today doesn't mean it will look good the next week. And lastly, just because a coin survived one hype cycle does not automatically mean it will survive the next one. So you should never buy based on excitement, screenshots, or social media hype. Also, my honest opinion is that if you're new in crypto, do not rush to buy 5 meme coins at once. Pick 1 or 2 coins to study first, learn how the market moves, and never confuse meme coins' popularity to guarantee long-term value. That mindset alone can save you from a lot of mistakes and losses. Again, this is not a financial advice. Meme coins are volatile and high risk. Use this video as a starting point for research, not a promise of profit. Thanks for watching so much. Don't forget to go ahead, leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.